Hello guys, welcome to xtutorial.net YouTube channel, and today we will discuss about the productivity tip which I'm gonna give you today, and that's it, and that is the Excel footer statistics. Suppose you are working with the sales data of your company and you want to analyze those data and in a single click or something like that, which will be very helpful in your productivity daily Excel life. So get on to it. Let's discuss what it's about. Here is the demo data we have for you for demonstration purposes. If you want to download this data for the practice purposes, you can click the link in the description below. So to start it, here we have the ID number of the employee, first name, last name, gender, male, female, join date, here is join date, and the sales data. So these are the sales data. Suppose where you will find the Excel statistics, footer statistics. Here you can click on any data. Here you can find the Excel statistics. Here is nothing going on here, so you can see numlock and nothing's there, right? Suppose if you want to analyze all this data, type of data, minimum and maximum sales by which member or something like that. Suppose you have these hundreds of employees and you want to calculate the minimum number of sale and maximum number of sale. So here we have this the number of sales. Suppose here I click on column and F column as well. Here we get the count 101, numerical count 100, count how many sales date counted, it's 101, included the sales header also, and numerical counts are 100, right? And sum, here is the total, right? Here I have clicked the total F column and it gives the total sum here. Suppose you want to calculate the minimum sale by an employee, so click on the minimum and here you will get the minimum. Here 104.92 is the minimum sale number from an employee, right? Suppose you want to see maximum, who is the top notch employee in your company, and here the maximum. Here you get the max 998.44. It's a good number, no? So next is, suppose you want to get the average of all the sales for this month, right? Of all time. You can also click on the average. Here you can just tell these numbers to your boss or whatever the reason you are working for, and you will get this number. Hope you like this quick productivity tips, very helpful and productive for if you're working with loads of queries and data and sales data and other type of data. And this is just the overview of this Excel footer statistics. If you want to know a little detail about it, you can also check out our blog and just subscribe for more details and more videos. Hope you like this video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Lot more templates and lot more tutorials coming up in the next week. Hope to see you soon.